Ron here with a little package on the table here. You can see the little battery symbol here, and I'll see the top here. It's got a bunch of strange labels on it here. See the one that says, U.S. here, and over here is a customs document that you have to fill out when you're sending something overseas. And here's a regular kind of UPS looking label. Very not gonna let you too good look at it. This is my information here, but wonder what could be in a strange package like this with a Korean customs form on it here, and for some reason it says U.S. here. I wonder what could be in a bundle like that. So let's take a look here. I've kind of cut this loose on the bottom here where all the labels are and that. So I got some kind of weird, I don't know what you would call that, packaging thing there. Can you see how that's all kind of like, cut up cardboard or some sort? I've never seen anything like that before. And let's see what else is in here. I've got the box has a little stuff on the bottom here, but nowhere on the outside of this box does it tell you what company this is made or anything like that. So it's just your brown paper generic box here, which we'll kind of get that in the background here. We got a little bit of paper here. Here's a thank you so much and I love you. Wow. I love when my sellers love me. And here's the seller right here. I won't say it out loud that this is purchased from, and I don't know if this is going to be mirrored or not, but here we go. So we'll put these stickers over here now, and we'll open this bundle here. Now this bundle here, again, this kind of cut cardboard, I'll call it here, like recycled cardboard, has a kind of a postage kind of wrap around it here. Trying to keep this in frame for you here. And I'm going to move this background box here so messy backgrounds distract from what you're trying to look at. So, okay, here we go. Hope the audio is good here. Look at this thing. They really wound this box up here. What could this darn thing be in this box here? All the way from South Korea. Wow. Well, this is going to fill my whole recycling can up just with this mess here. Oh, look at this. They sent me that new Mini 5 Pro. Wow. That just came out recently here. And I heard it's hard to get in the U.S. here. And what do we have here? This is the Fly More Combo Kit with the DJI RC N3 controller. Bundle Fly More. DJI RC, keep seeing the same thing over here. Here it says 36 minutes times 3. So you get 3 batteries, and each battery flies for 36 minutes. Wow, that's pretty impressive. And let's see here. Here we go. The usual DJI stuff on the side of the box there. Here's another kind of better shot of the drone there. This is the back of the box. It tells you about the DJI Care Refresh program. I wonder if you can get it on this drone in the U.S. And here's that little green thing that you opens the kind of the box up here. Let's see here. There we go, kind of Apple-like here. Pulls the tape off, gets the tape started at least. Get all the cellophane off here. Doesn't come out quite as good as the Apple packaging, but there it is. Let's get the front of the box going again there. And let me get some of this trash off the desktop here. Distracting, this mess here. I'm gonna recycle this if I ever need to send something valuable someplace, huh? Let's see what's in this box here, folks. No piece of plastic to cut off, that's good, I don't think. Okay, now already here's a little orange logo here. It says scan the QR code using the smartphone before first use. That's so you can download and install your DJI Fly app if you don't already have it. You can watch some tutorials. You can read the user manual all by downloading that QR code there. So let's pull out what we got here. Now, okay, that's all that's in the box here, folks. Nothing else in there. Get that box out of the way here. And then here's the case here. Now it looks like they sent me, by the size of this case here, it looks like they sent me another DJI Avata 2 drone. And here's the typical fact tag on there. Now here's the shoulder strap here with this little thing that always ties it together. So it does have a shoulder strap, comes pre-attached. Okay, here's your double zippers here, like all these bags have. That's one kind of hung up a little bit there. There we go. It was a little tight on that one corner. And here's a handle strap back here. You know, if you don't want to use this shoulder strap, you can use this handle right here. It does look like it. Does it have any pockets here? It does not have any pockets on the side. It looks like it did, but it doesn't have any pockets on the side. So, okay. Here we go. Here's the bundle right here. Let's pull things out. Here is here's the drone itself right here in the plastic. Here is the 3 battery combo right here. Here is the controller right here. And here's a little box kind of accessories here. And then we're left with a case here that has 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets in it. It has a zip bag up here with nothing in it but a couple of these, these anti, humidity free type things. Don't eat them. Keep the, humidity down stuff in them. And that's it for pockets. I don't see any other pockets. Now this looks like it's, if you can see here in the light, this looks like it's Velcro adjustable, so you can, change the contour of this if you like. So that's kind of it on the case here. Again, much bigger than the previous DJI Mini drone cases, but of course this time, this isn't necessarily a mini drone anymore. If you consider the 249 gram mark as being mini or not. So let's put this to a side. Let's unbox. This is kind of quick and dirty boxing here. I'm not going to go into great detail in this unboxing video. You've probably seen one before, but you probably haven't seen before is an unboxing of this kit. Everybody I see gets the bundle. It comes with the RC2 controller with the screen. So this is the first time I've ever seen anybody box one that did have that controller. So there's that little drone. That little mini drone, again, is it a mini drone? Does it weigh 250 gram? We'll get the scale out here in a minute here. Looks very similar here. Here's jacks in the back, USB-C, memory card, jack there. It does have a battery in it. We'll take this gimbal guard off here. I think we'll take the gimbal guard off here. Here's a little piece of cardboard down here, kind of keeping everything in place and shipping. See that? Here's a little sticker down here. Again, hold stuff in place. It looks like it's free now. There's no film over the camera there. So notice the bigger 1-inch sensor here. So let's see if here's a piece of foam that fell off here. Let's see if the battery has a little charge. It does have one green dot pops up. Okay, that is the camera. There's the something new here. There's the front-facing LiDAR sensors for this drone. First on a mini drone. The propellers. Oh, yeah, I put it into some kind of a mode here that's blinking back and forth here. The first time a mini drone has the the quick release propellers there, not screw-in ones. So we'll go into that big time in the video here. That's of interest to a lot of folks here. Just like the Mini 4, there's the obstacle avoid sensors and the reverse ones. Okay, let's get off of that here for a second here. Again, quick and dirty unboxing. We'll go into more detail later. Here is the controller here. This is the simple. This is the RC N3. The place for the N2 is a little bit lighter. Has a little less battery life. Kind of the budget controller here. But if you already own the DJI RC2 from a previous drone, or the DJI RC2 Pro, which is this drone works with both of those controllers, you already have built-in screens. So unless you want to keep collecting expensive controllers, this is an option. And here is the 3 battery hub here. Again, quick and dirty here, quick and dirty, folks. Here is, the 3 battery hub. There's 2 batteries in it. Of course, 1 battery is already in the drone. Now, just like before, this drone, you cannot check the battery level on the battery itself. It has to be put in the drone. Otherwise, it looks very similar to the hub that came with the DJI Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro drones. So there's a USB-C port. There's your, your power on and off button there. There's your indicator lights telling you the charge status on the drone. You won't unless you plug something in. You won't be able to see anything. Now, this bundle, no bundle with the Mini 5 Pro comes with a charging brick, whatever. You would have to order that separately from DJI or a third-party vendor. It doesn't have to be a DJI charging plug per se. It just needs to be enough watts to charge this. Advised to be 65 watts or over. One of those smart chargers, PD chargers, QS chargers. So I won't go into a lot of charging stuff here. And here's a box of accessories here. Bunch of extra props here. USB-C, the USB-C. If you're still using Lightning, there's a Lightning cable. Want to control itself, it will come with the USB-C connector. More props. What else is here? Here's your ND filters. Pull them out. And here's your NDs. DJI branded NDs. Okay, there they are. You get a ND8, ND32, and an ND128. Hope you can see those. So, nice 3-pack, nice little case. Here's your booklets and everything here. Stickers, booklets. I'm not going to open that stuff up now. Can never get it back in. So that's it. There's a false bottom down there, but there's nothing in it. So there you go. There's a quick and dirty unboxing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This is the kit. This is a fly mode combo, but not the combo that comes with the RC2 controller. This is the RCN3. And this is not the plus batteries. This is the normal batteries for the the Mini 5 Pro here. So again, this unboxing was important because almost every other boxing is that kit I just told you about, RC2 controller and premium batteries or whatever. And there's, I guess, 4 different kits you can get for this. Yeah, 4 different configurations. So this is just one of the 3, but one of the uncommon ones you don't see much. All right, well, we'll get on to the next portion of this video here. Unless I make this a standalone video, I won't know until I actually get into the editing room, but hope you enjoyed this part, and we'll see you at either the next video or the next chapter of this video.